Hi, I'm Fazle and I'm a Lottie animator. And today I want to talk about what is a Lottie file animation, who is using it, what kind of business or platform or creators are using it, how is it better than what came before. So first of all, let's go to lottiefiles.com. You can Google Lottie files and this will come up, or just type in lottiefiles.com. As you can see, it's lightweight, scalable animations. If these words don't mean anything to you, I'll try to say it the simplest way I can. Lottie is animation in code form. Lottie file is animation, motion graphics, or 2D animation in code form. It is code that looks like animations. That is Lottie. Now I might be wrong about this, but it's easier to understand if you think about it like this. Anyone who is familiar with web development and software development or app development or game development, they know how hard it is to apply animations to their platforms. It is very difficult. If anyone wants to add animations like this to their platform, the main way used to be GIF animations or PNG sequences. Those were the only options. If you wanted to add animations to your website, you had to use GIF or PNG sequences. That caused a lot of problems because GIF and PNG sequences are very large in file size, and file size matters a lot to a web developer or a software developer because that affects the loading speed or website loading time. That is the most important thing in a development project. Here you can see a GIF with this animation is 598 kilobytes. It's pretty low, but if the same animation was 66 kilobytes, 600% smaller than a GIF, of course a software developer would use this, not a GIF. That is Lottie. Lottie is smoother animation that is code form and easy to use, that is way smaller in size than the traditional way of adding animations to websites. And now Lottie did not stop there. They have created ways to compress that file size even smaller. This part of the feature is paid. You have to pay a monthly subscription to get file sizes this small, to get access to this optimization tool, but this is free. You can create Lottie animations for free anyway. This is just to optimize it even further. Now imagine using this kind of beautiful, smooth animations in your website on development projects. Even if clients wanted to add animations to their website, developers would say it would increase the file size of your website and decrease the loading speed of your website. So I would advise not to use animations. That used to be the case, but now Lottie animations could be added to any platform, any website, any software, and it's getting more popular in integrations and file size optimizations and collaborations with other softwares. It's getting more and more popular and everyone is using it. Why wouldn't they use it? If you could use beautiful animations like this without worrying about the file size, of course you would use this. Now let's talk about the actual Lottie files website. If you come here, discover, you will see free ready to use animations. Let's see. If you go to free and ready to use, animations, you will find a marketplace that is full of animations like these Lottie animations. These are all Lottie animations that are code ready to use for your development projects. You can see how many downloads they have gotten, how many likes they have gotten. See, I'm previewing all of these animations at once, and the loading speed of this page is still smooth, because these are not MP4 files or GIF files or PNG sequences. These are Lottie. These are just code running in front of me that look like animations. The animations and Lottie files on the Lottie files platform are all free to use. They have so many pages and pages of animations being submitted every day. New animations, new type of categories being added. Any software developer could download this and use it right away on their development project right now. And then let's look at the marketplace. If you go to the marketplace page, you will see the Lottie animations that are popular that week. It's Christmas time right now, so Christmas related assets are pretty popular. These are all created by Lottie animators, studios all over the world. You can see the creators right here. These are all featured packs. Now, if I want to download one of these, let's see. It goes to iconscout. We have changed websites. It came from Lottie files to iconscout, the website I showed you in my previous video, because iconscout was acquired by Lottie files. Because iconscout was doing so well, they are growing and becoming more and more popular as a digital asset store. So Lottie files bought iconscout and made them their main source for premium quality Lottie animations. People who want very nice looking smooth animations, high quality animations, custom animations, they can go to the marketplace. They can choose their Lottie animations. If you want to download it, you have to go to iconscout. You have to have an iconscout subscription to download this. And Lottie file animations like this is what I make. And if they download my animations, I make money. I made a video about it, explaining it all. You can check it out in my channel. So iconscout is a genuine website that is not going away as long as Lottie files is around. And Lottie files is also not going anywhere. If you look at discover and see these use cases, this is new. Let's check out use cases. Motion designers for every industry and use cases imaginable. They have displayed examples of what Lottie files is being used for. Websites. Websites can use Lottie files on their landing pages. Presentations could use animations like this, motion graphics like this, walkthroughs, animated icons, infographics, social media, ads, posts, in-app animations, stickers, Telegram stickers. I hear a lot of people use Telegram stickers. And imagine every app using emojis, and those emojis are absolutely Lottie files, because no one is going to use GIF emojis, in-app reactions, gaming assets. You could create games with these animations, ads. All of the ads in the future are going to be created with Lottie, because Lottie could be animated as the augmented reality and virtual reality is also going to use Lottie animations. It's just a better way to use animations on any platforms. If you go to open source libraries, you will see all the integrations and plugins. They have so many integrations. They are trying to integrate with every creative software out there. They already have a Windows, Mac, and Android, iOS apps and software for desktop and mobile devices. You can create Lottie animations using these platforms, these softwares. Like mainly I use After Effects. You can also use Adobe Animate, Cavalry, Flow, KeyShape, Synfig Studio, Inkscape, Reaximate, Haiku Animator, Sketch, etc. Design with Lottie. You can use Lottie with these design tools: Adobe XD, Figma, Farmer X, Prototype. These are UI and UX design tools. Any UI and UX designer knows what these are, and you can use Lottie animations in these softwares. Lottie no code in these no code platforms like WordPress, Webflow, Wix, EditorX, Elementor, Adalo, Kadika.io, etc. Productivity tools. You can use Lottie files on Google's Doc and Google Sheet projects. Import Lottie files as GIF or PNGs on Google Docs, and Microsoft Word and Excel also are going to be using Lottie files. Lottie developer tools. You can use Visual Studio Code, Lottie Animator Manager for development tools. Lottie libraries, all the different kind of development projects you can use Lottie animations on are here, like Angular, Android, iOS, Accelerator, Native Script, Qt, React Native, React.js, RLottie, Skia, Windows, Xamarin, Flutter, etc., Python, etc., etc. Webflare, Lottie Player, these are Lottie's own creations. They keep inventing and creating new and easier ways to use Lottie files. Lottie files is better than GIF and PNG sequences, not only for being smaller in size, it is also editable, meaning even after you're done making a Lottie animation, someone else could edit that animation on their web platform, on the Lottie color editor, many ways. Or someone else could import it in After Effects and animate it all over again. It is so useful and handy. Everyone should use it. World's top apps are built with Lottie files. You can see Twitter, Google's apps, McDonald's, Nike, Discord, YouTube. Everyone is using Lottie files for new and innovative apps and websites and softwares. Even Disney, Instacart, and Duolingo is using it. So I hope you have some idea of what Lottie animation is and what it is used for. Please like the video. If you like what I've been talking about, please subscribe for more content like this. Keep watching, keep learning, and I hope you implement these ideas